ago, I did a cake tutorial on how to decorate the cake board. Some people were asking me how to do the cake I put on top of that cake board. This is the tutorial for that cake. If you like this type of tutorial, feel free to subscribe to my channel. All the links will be posted in the comment box below. This type of cake decoration is called Bas Relief, and even though many people think it's a new technique, it's very old and has been used for many years in the cake industry. This design can be done with buttercream or royal icing, but a lot of people these days make them with molds. You can use a little bit of them in certain areas, or you can do the whole cake with this style. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this beautiful cake using the Bas Relief style. If you like this type of decoration, I will be posting a link in the comment box below on how to decorate this beautiful two-tier cake, including the bowl. I wanted to do a Bas Relief cake using flowers, and I am using flowers all around the cake, so I called it a garden cake. You can use for this type of design small flowers, big flowers, the option is yours. But I will say that the bigger the flower, the faster you will finish decorating your cake. And when you're decorating cake, you know that fast is important. As you can see, the big flower covers a lot of space and you can finish the cake faster. The smaller the pieces, the more time consuming they can be. But keep in mind that even though I am using big flowers, I need smaller flowers to fill the empty spaces. The design I'm making uses different molds because I'm trying to make a flower garden, but you can use the same mold over and over again throughout the whole cake. If you don't like the busy look of this style, you can take this and do areas of your cake instead of the whole cake. The design will depend on what your client wants or what you want. If you want to make the whole cake covering it, think of it as a puzzle. You're trying to fill spaces. It's okay to have empty spaces in it, but you want to have a flow to the design of it. You can do this type of design with royal icing or buttercream. If you love piping on your cakes, just go ahead and have fun. If you like this, you can actually work even faster. If you prefer to pipe the buttercream and freeze it, just make sure that your pieces are holding strongly to your buttercream because some heavy pieces can slide down. I will do a blog with more information about this, but in the meantime, this is the cake finish, and as you can see by itself is a really beautiful work of art. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to make this cake, go visit the comment box below and visit the link where I posted the whole video step by step. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you like cake related videos, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me in Facebook, share your work with me, visit me in Instagram, and visit my blog. Until next time, ta-ta!